So just real quick and easy, if you're going spark plug change on your Maserati Ghibli, it's very easy to do. You just remove this cover off. It pops off of the 4 holders, no problem. Place that out of the way. Each one of these coils, they are held in with 5mm Allen bolts. If you have a 3/8 extension, you can reach past this area here, or you can just put you can reach all of these except for this last one back here. Basically, this one I used a 1/4 inch swivel with a 5mm, or you can use just a regular 5mm Allen wrench because it's just kind of tight with the coil on in between this area right here. As far as diagnosing misfires goes, I would say to remember that your cylinder orders are actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. As you can see, this front one here is number 6. And the combo you need to get these spark plugs out is this right here, which is a 4 inch and a 1 inch. And the reason for this is in these rear ones, the space between here and here is tight. This one you can just kind of push on that a little bit and normally get it out, or you can just pop this off and get it out. Over here you'll need that because the space on this one is really tight. If you use a 6 inch, you can't get in there. You'll have to drop the socket in and then put the extension on. But the 6 inch one, when you go to take it back out, the socket won't come up far enough to come back out. So with this one, you can drop your socket in and then drop your 2 extensions on, take it loose, and then when you take it out, you can take the ratchet off, and then you can take this 1 incher off, and then that'll leave you enough room with this one to get everything out, and that'll make your spark plug changes a lot easier. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped.